Customer come in with an overheating problem. They drove the car 15 to 20 miles, and as they drove it, the temperature gauge slowly rose up. So what we did was we brought the car in, we pulled off the radiator cap, and we noticed brown fluid, real pasty like in the radiator system. So what we did was we removed the radiator and we flushed out the block in the fill tank in the heater core. Then we installed a new radiator, and this is what it looks like on the inside of a radiator. Now, he didn't maintain his radiator at all. He claimed he never put any new radiator fluid in it. And without maintaining your radiator fluid on a yearly basis, this is what can happen. I want to talk about the flushing of a radiator. I know a lot of people talk about how they flush their radiators out, saving money and everything else. But sometimes if the radiator is too far gone, or you're just not sure, you know, a good flush system and the time to do it's going to cost you anywhere from, you know, $15 to $25. A brand new radiator nowadays, aftermarket, is only going to cost you anywhere from $75 to $100. Labor wise, you might spend a little more time doing it, but when you flush a vehicle, I have seen it go in this port and come out this port and end up being clear. Well, what you're doing is the valleys down here on each end will get cleaned out, but nothing in the middle. So, I mean, flushing's okay, but you really should think about just changing the radiator, especially for the cost. If your car has an overheating problem and you know the radiator's clogged up, I wouldn't recommend flushing at all. Just go ahead and replace the radiator.